handsome boy. Boop, 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 boop. Hi. You want to give Grandma and Grandpa some smiles? Huh? Huh? Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. What a cutie. What a handsome little boy. You have lots to say. Huh? Where's Emerson? Emerson, what are you doing? Hi. Hey, cutie. What do you got there? Huh? Can you say Grandma and Papa? Grandma and Papa. Ben can say it, huh? Yeah, I got lots to say. Oh, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hi, sissy. Hi, handsome Ben. Hey, handsome Ben. Do you want to give your brother a kiss? Do you want to give your brother a kiss? Hi, Benny. Oh. Emerson, can you say do 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 do? Here. Tell Daddy. Say hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Let's put these socks back on. Say hot. Socks. Oh, Benny. You tell Daddy, hot dog. Hot dog. Ben's taking your sock. Oh, what are we going to do about that? Benny, what's wrong? Oh. Mwah. Do you think Mommy should pick up Ben? He's crying. Hot dog. Pew, pew. Pew. Want to come sit here? Want to come sit with Mama and Ben?